All right, guys, we are getting the Camaro ready for the cage. The guy is finally ready for it. Got the material in, so all we need to do is get the transmission out, take the seats out, take the carpet out. What, did you say something? Nope, I'm good. And we're gonna get it pushed over to this side. We're gonna get it on the lift and pull that stuff out and get ready to go. I do want to mention, I'm actually gonna get serious about this YouTube thing. I'm gonna start posting videos every Friday, maybe 9, 10 a.m. in the morning. And we'll post a video, and it's gonna be every Friday from here on out. So make sure to check your feed. Got it over here, we're gonna set the lift, get my train jack underneath there, drop that thing out, get this thing ready for that 850 cert cage. Get the drive shaft out. Woo! Oh, we got a dripper.
Went from a ripper to a dripper.
Unhooked the transmission line.
You know how burnt training fluid always has a funny smell?
Yeah.
Well, this is way worse than burnt training fluid. I don't know what happened with you. Are you okay?
I'm good. My is okay. All right, we got everything loose. So we're gonna put the transmission jack underneath of it. Support it, take our ratchet strap off there. And then take our mount loose, gotta loosen up these nuts and then it'll slide out.
Wait, what?
These nuts? Got him! All right, guys, the transmission's out. It's all clear down here. I am pretty excited when we get the cage done. We're gonna get a new rack and pinion so we can get rid of all that and the steering column, and that's literally the last nasty thing under this car.
Besides the driver.
Oh, yeah. All right, we're gonna get the seats out, get my carpet, my shifter out, and then this thing, well, I'll pull out my sound deadening that I was talking about where the bars are gonna go down, like right there on each side and probably the front. You got anything stupid to say?
Yeah, Blake Jones. Now what?
Seats are out, carpet's out, it's ready to go. Then I'm gonna pop the computer out. Probably just for safe measures, pop the computer out so when he's welding in there, it doesn't actually short something out. But other than that, I think this is ready to roll out to cage guy. And all you guys that were giving me so much shit saying, I hope you hit the wall and stuff, I'll finally have a cage in it and be safe, so you're welcome.
So now hit the wall to prove them wrong.
Yeah. Now, with the new motor improvements and a little bit of suspension tuning, hopefully by the middle of this next season, the front tire is gonna look like that.
On the jack stands?
No, doing power wheelies, hopefully by the mid of this season would be sweet, but that's also how you break a lot of stuff. But man, does it look sweet. All right, guys, we're all situated here. It is ready to go to the guy, get the cage welded in, and get all certified. But that's gonna be the end of this week's video, so come back next week, see what we tear up. We'll see you later, guys. Dodge.